In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut a video in Premiere Pro. If you simply want to trim your clip a little bit, select the time tool and drag it to where you want the video to be trimmed. Go to the start of your clip and click and drag it to the time tool. Select your clip and drag it to the start. Now, every time you trim a video like this, there will be an unwanted gap at the start. To fix this, simply select both of your clips, hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and click and drag the start of your video to where you want it to be trimmed. You can see the unwanted gap at the start has automatically been filled. Now let's say you want to make a few cuts in the middle of your video. Go to the top left and click on the eraser tool, or simply click C on your keyboard and cut your clip. Go back to the selection tool, select the clip you want to be deleted, press the delete key, select the clips at the end, and drag them together. Now let's say you want to trim the first clip a little bit. Select the clip, and again hold down Control button on your keyboard, and click and drag the video to where you want it to be trimmed. You can see the unwanted space has automatically been filled. You can also do the same at the end of your clip. Select the clip and click and drag it to where you want it to be trimmed. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.